marariye skund Busia Hills Academy bo mabusia bankor klesi adek ruombore piny katend skund obiwoseyo hewi jaket mondu moro ma ochako gedo marorofa hebat skund no. Kalore kod chenro mar somo skund no mantiere kod kwa nyithindo malo 250 Daniel Ouma olero ni gedo marorofa no okelo yom e kor klese kendo kelo lal mathoth makoro chunogi mondo giket jopuonjre e klese modong mag somo. Jonyuol bende onyiso luoro margi ka giwacho ni ponono ni luor marorofa no dine timre odiochieng' to dino kelo lal mar ngima ka koro gise apisa mochung' ne gedo e kaunti ya Busia kuom koso winjo ywak gi samo winjore. Jalop Commissioner e kaunti no David Chaka wacho ni gisechako timo nonro kendo ogolo chik machungo gedo makamano.
Mimi ndo jirani ya shule, tumeshikana na ukuta kabisa. Hata jana usiku vile hiyo poromoko ya kwanza ilifanya baba, mimi ndo kushtuka kusikia. Tukasema nini imefanyika? Sasa mimi nilidhani hata ni mtu alipana mabati kutoka, nimedhani ni kitu kubwa ilifanya mpaka hata tulishtuka tukatoka na watoto yote nje. Mpaka majirani hata next.
Iliporomoka kwa sababu sehemu ya foundation ilikuwa interfered na yule anayejenga jirani yangu hapo kando. Madrasa ambayo yameharibika ni matatu na wanafunzi ambao wameathirika ni grade 1, lakini tuna alternative kwa hivi sasa wameingia class wametulia.
We thank the school has got additional facilities, so right away now the children affected in the grade 1, grade 3 and 5 have been settled in another class, so learning is going on.
The proprietor of the school raised the issue with some government officers. No action was taken. This is a serious case of omission on the side of those officers who did not act in time to stop this, which could have been avoided. And I'm calling upon the police to move with the speed and investigate the